Today, we'll look at this main riff to In the End by Linkin Park. Starts off as that is 1 on the 4th string, 3 on the 3rd string, twice, then 4 on the 4th string, then 3 on the 4th string, 3 times first, then a quick 4th time, and then go back to 4 on the 1st string. Let's look at it one more time very slowly. And then you repeat this 3 times, and then in the 4th time, you just play the first half, and then you leave it. And then this riff is played throughout the song. There's some gaps, but then towards the second half of the verse, as well as during the bridge. And then even towards the end of the song, this is played repeatedly, and it slows down. And then there's a quick and that is played as 1 on the 4th string again, 4 on the 4th string, 3 on the 3rd string, 4 on the 2nd string. So then on the 1st string, 1, 2, and then you pause on the 2, then 1 on the 1st string. And that's how the song ends. Don't forget to subscribe, and in the meantime, keep rocking.